in this question, we are told that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So you don't need to prove that. We're told these two triangles are similar, which means that what? What does that tell you? If the two triangles are similar, it tells you what about the angles? Okay, so because we're told this is important. These two triangles are similar, which means that the corresponding angles are equal. So let's fill in the blanks. If in this triangle, if angle A is 28 degrees, can you figure out which angle is 28 degrees in the other triangle? This has to be 28 degrees. Well, let's check. Without even looking at the other triangle, what do the sum of the interior angles in a triangle have to add up to? This plus C has to equal 180. I want you guys to find C right now by subtracting the sum of these two from 180. So 180, take away what was 28 plus 121? 149, so angle C has to be equal to 31 degrees, right? Well, if this is 31 degrees, that was already done for us. So we know that these are in the right position right now. Can you tell me what angle E is equal to? Nero. 121 degrees. Done. We found all the missing angles. Now the question says, find the length of DE. I'm going to actually do this, highlight this, and I'm going to put an X here. I'm trying to find X, right? Everyone agrees that that's the unknown side length I'm trying to find? We have to set up a proportion. Remember, the corresponding side lengths, the ratios of the corresponding side lengths are equal. So we have to figure out, do we have any corresponding side lengths where we know the ratio of it? I know I can fill in the numerator and I can fill in the denominator. Do you have two corresponding side lengths given right now?
Yes.
Which ones?
AC and DF.
Excellent. AC and DF. So let's fill it in. 20.1 over what? 16.1. Again, you have to write it in the correct order. I'm going to call this triangle 1 and triangle 2. If I'm writing my ratio of triangle 1 over triangle 2, I have to write the next one in the same order. So 20.1 over 16.1 is equal to, well, which side length corresponds to DE? AB. So is equal to 12.1. Again, I start with triangle 1 over triangle 2, and triangle 2, the side length is unknown. So my proportion is 20.1 over 16.1 equals 12.1 over X. This is my proportion. This side length over this side length is equal to this side length over this side length. So we're going to do 20.1 times X is equal to 16.1 times 12.1. Write it right now. Each side length was rounded off to 1 decimal place, so I'm just going to choose to do the same. I'm going to round my answer off to 1 decimal place, so it was 9.7 units. 20.1 times X is 20.1 X equals 16.1 times 12.1. What is 16.1 times 12? Okay, so this is 194.81, but that's what 20.1x is equal to, so I have to divide by 20.1, because I'm trying to isolate x, which means I have to divide this side by 20.1, and what do you get? So we're going to round it off approximately equal to 9 point, we'll round it off to 1 decimal place, so nearest tenth, 7. Now, if you're not sure what to round it to, go back to look at the question.